विमेंस के साथ नहीं होता, ये मेल्स के साथ होता है। ये
Right.
मेरे लेटेस्ट पोस्ट की बात आप कर रहे हो। एब्सोल्युटली, आई बिलीव दैट आपके इर्द गिर्द आपको आपकी जो तारीफ करते हैं ना वो लोग तो रहने ही चाहिए, बट
हाँ
आपको नीचा दिखाने वाले ज्यादा
हाँ,
लोग होने चाहिए।
ट्रू ट्रू।
बिकॉज जब तक मैं जब जब मैं बहुत अच्छे लेवल पे आई हूँ ना, तब तब आप समझ लेना कि पीछे से किसी ने मुझे कुछ ना कुछ नीचा दिखाया है।
ये बात से ना एक डायलॉग याद आ रहा है पुष्पा का कि फ्लावर समझा क्या,
हाँ,
फायर है।
फायर है मैं,
वेरी नाइस।
झुकेगा नहीं।
झुकेगा नहीं।
So yeah, that's how it began. Like, you know, my life. I mean, whenever I've tried to do something unique or something new, and firstly तो मैं ऐसे बैकग्राउंड से आ रही हूँ ना जहाँ पे लड़कियाँ बाहर जाके काम नहीं करती.
हाँ ये होता है।
Okay, being a typical Gujju family, women's are not allowed to go out and work for themselves because we are quite privileged. We are very much monetary wise. सब कुछ हमारा बहुत सही है. I was the first female child in my family who wanted to step out of the house.
Very courageous.
I was the first female child basically, and the first female child who stepped out of the house to start earning her own thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Your father must be very proud.
Very proud. And initial days, like, you know, it has been, see, nothing is very easy.
Right.
Okay. माइंडसेट चेंज करना जो कल्चरली ड्रिवन है,
हाँ.
ट्रेडिशनली ऑलरेडी उनका एक माइंडसेट है,
हाँ.
परसेप्शन है कि लड़कियां बाहर जाके नहीं कमा सकती, उनको समझाना इज नॉट इजी
Actually.
ओके, बट आई मेड श्योर दैट आई प्रूव माई सेल्फ एट एवरी स्टेज ऑफ माई लाइफ. So I have proved everything to my father as well. Okay, nothing came with a platter.
Yeah.
Okay, I have to prove everything that I've done in my life, and that's how today I have 100% support of my father.
Right.
Not only of my father, but of my brother as well.
Great. So अभी आपने बताया कि you started your career as a choreographer and फिर event management भी किया, and then it like all the business that you are talking about, even फिर podcasting life में है. So what is that which is more closer to you? Which role is more closer to you?
Podcasting.
Podcasting.
I'm telling you why. I believe that I'm meant for camera.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm very camera friendly. बोलते हैं ना, बचपन से आपको जो बनना रहता है
हाँ हाँ.
वो आपके अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता है.
Yes.
So during my childhood days, I used to stand in front of mirror and I actually used to pose like a model.
Okay.
Okay, हमारे घर पे अलाउड नहीं है मॉडलिंग करना.
हाँ.
Okay, so then I figured out my way.
Hmm.
Lockdown was the phase where I did everything that I want to.
Right.
Okay, whether it is modeling, whether it is being in front of camera, learning influencing, what is working, what is not working, I've done everything during lockdown because I had a lot of time for myself.
Right.
Okay, so I believe that I'm meant for camera, and camera makes me more alive.
Right.
Okay, so of course podcasting is very close to my heart, but at the same point of time Nirman 360 is much more closer
Right.
because there I'm going to impact more than 1 lakh Indian women.
ये बहुत अच्छी बात है कि you think about helping others,
Yeah.
which is so much missing nowadays. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यहाँ से ये निकल के आती है कि everybody is concerned about themselves.
Yeah.
Being selfish is very common now. और किसी को तकलीफ देना is a new trend. As in like you give pain to someone and enjoy that pain.
Yeah.
That is also becoming a trend now.
Yeah.
And I somehow believe कि ऐसे माहौल में people like you are a ray of hope. और होना भी चाहिए क्योंकि और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि वो जो ray of hope है it will get diminish out of the majority thing which is happening. वो उसको ब्रेक कर सकती है.
100%.
तो आपके इंस्पिरेशन कौन रहे हैं like besides your family?
So my inspiration has always been my family.
Okay.
Not besides my family.
Okay. Your family is the only.
My first inspiration is my grandmother.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay. I look exactly like her. My second inspiration is my father.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay. And my third inspiration is my child.
Right.
I changed my life 360 once I became a mother.
That is how it goes.
Yes.
Also, life changes after being a mother.
Yeah, so I'm telling you, after being a mother, I've done everything in my life that I wanted to, and everything that I wanted to be.
Right.
Okay, so apart from family, if you'll say who is your inspiration,
हाँ हाँ.
every person who is at leadership position is my
हाँ.
inspiration.
Nice.
Okay, I look up to Narendra Modi ji.
Of course.
Okay, I look up to Oprah Winfrey.
Right.
So there are a lot of idols
Mm-hmm.
who I truly believe in.
उनकी बातें सुन के we get like motivation wherein
Yes.
how we can also take our life forward.
Exactly.
So what has been your turning moment कि जीवन का उस moment जहाँ पे you tasted success also, and even when you found that this is what I need to do.
So again, like as I said, my child has been my inspiration.
Mm-hmm.
In the year 2018,
अच्छा.
okay, my child was born in 2016.
Mm-hmm.
Full-time workaholic person
Mm-hmm.
was full-time mother.
Okay.
Now this transition was not easy for me.
हाँ, of course.
Okay, मुझे हमेशा से लगता था यार बहुत easy है बच्चा पैदा करना.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay, बच्चे को संभालना भी बहुत ज़्यादा easy है.
Mm-hmm.
But having said that, before being a mother,
Mm-hmm.
it was quite different. I was handling someone else's children.
हाँ,
Okay,
right.
after being a mother,
Right.
I was handling my own child.
Mm-hmm.
So 24 hours you have no other work, only looking at your child.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay, so वहाँ पे there was a phase where
Hmm.
I have been through postpartum depression.
Okay.
1.5 साल.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's where I decided,
Mm-hmm.
boss, I don't want to feed my child anxiety and depression.
हाँ हाँ.
One fine day, I was scrolling my Facebook. I
Hmm.
saw this ad of participating in Mrs. India Worldwide
अच्छा.
in 2018.
Mm-hmm.
I always wanted to be a model,
Mm-hmm.
and I thought this is it.
Right.
I have to come out of this.
Mm-hmm.
So I clicked
Mm-hmm.
on that link. I registered myself. Somehow I cracked the audition and I was through.
Mm-hmm.
For the first time in my life,
Hmm.
I left my child for 12 days. I went to Greece.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the moment where I changed completely.
Hmm.
Talking about my confidence, my appearance.
Hmm.
वो बोलते हैं ना, आपकी प्रॉब्लम आप खुद ही हो.
हाँ.
जब तक आप वहाँ से बाहर नहीं निकलोगे ना,
Hmm.
तब तक कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
ये बात सही कही आपने.
So you have to make sure that you have to help yourself.
Right.
नो थेरेपिस्ट.
Hmm.
थेरेपिस्ट आपको रास्ता दिखाएगा, आप उनसे
हाँ.
बात करोगे, थोड़े टाइम के लिए आपको सेटिस्फेक्शन
Hmm.
मिलेगा,
True.
लेकिन उसके बाद क्या?
Hmm.
सो दैट वाज माय टर्निंग पॉइंट.
तो इसमें ये हो जाता है कि जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि सोशल मीडिया इज़ वेरी डेंजरस, और ऑल्दो देर आर नेगेटिव थिंग्स एसोसिएटेड विद इट, लेकिन विथ योर एग्जांपल ऐसा लगता है कि दैट स्क्रोलिंग थिंग रियली हेल्प्ड एंड चेंज योर लाइफ कम्प्लीटली.
Absolutely. I have always been like a digital person.
हाँ
I always believe because of digital era,
हाँ हाँ.
पूरी दुनिया तुम्हारी मुट्ठी में है. जो करना है आप कर सकते हो. फेमस होना है, फेमस तुम हो सकते हो.
राइट.
But problem is how to utilize your digital medium is very important. अच्छे के लिए कर रहे हो,
हाँ.
कौन सी चीज के लिए कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
I've seen people scrolling 24 hours.
हाँ, दैट इज डेंजरस.
Where again, like it's proven, scientifically proven. क्या
हाँ.
24 hours ये करते रहोगे, क्या होगा? Distractions create हो रहा है.
हाँ हाँ.
Your brain is getting damaged. अब बच्चे भी कर रहे हैं.
बच्चे
They are becoming more autistic.
Hmm.
So there are a lot of problems that comes along with it. But what are you doing?
एक्चुअली.
That is more important.
सो पेरेंटिंग की अगर बात करें, क्योंकि यू सेड कि जो सराउंडिंग है, जो एनवायरनमेंट अपना होता है, दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट.
Yeah.
एंड पेरेंटिंग जो ट्रेडिशनली जो हमने देखा है उसमें ये होता था कि एवरीथिंग इज बीइंग रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, एंड द कॉन्वर्सेशन दैट पेरेंट्स हैव विद चाइल्ड, इट इज़ नॉट सो गुड. सो दैट ऑल्सो रिड्यूसेस द मोरल कि अगर मान लो बच्चे में बहुत पोटेंशियल है और आप उसको बार बार नेगेटिव चीज़ बोलोगे तो इट विल डेफिनेटली हैम्पर. तो ऐसा डू यू थिंक कि कोई डिफरेंस पुरानी पेरेंटिंग और अभी की पेरेंटिंग में आई है, और अगर नहीं आई है तो क्या आनी चाहिए?
100% पुरानी पेरेंटिंग और अभी की पेरेंटिंग में बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है. माई मदर वॉज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद मी.
हाँ
ओके, यहाँ से वहाँ नहीं होता था. डिसिप्लिन हुआ करता था.
हाँ हाँ.
Okay, nowadays, if you'll see, we call this generation as Gen Z generation.
हाँ.
Okay,
हम्म.
with this generation, there are lot and lot of not only problems
Mm-hmm.
but benefits also,
Right.
because they are very competitive in a way.
हाँ.
Okay, talking about my parenting style, I have been very, like, open to my child.
Okay.
I discuss everything with my child. He's only 9.
हाँ.
Okay, but at this stage
Mhm.
he's launching his own company
Oh wow.
with his own idea.
So he can
Okay?
be my
हाँ,
next guest.
तो ये चैलेंज, तो ये जो डिफरेंस है ना, पहले के जमाने में
Hmm.
आप अपने दिल की बात, बच्चा अपना दिल की बात अपनी मम्मी से नहीं कर सकता था, बिकॉज
हाँ.
माँ खुद इतनी बिजी रहती थी किचन में.
Right.
ओके, अभी का जनरेशन ऐसा है,
हाँ.
मदर्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी ट्रेडिशन, आई मीन दे आर वेरी मॉडर्नाइज.
हाँ हाँ.
ओके, और कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड, ऑफ
Hmm.
कोर्स आप अपने बच्चे के बारे में भी अच्छा ही सोचोगे.
Right.
You want your child to be more competitive, or maybe break that competition and be in the market. Right, so I've always, since his childhood, we have only discussed about business, we have discussed about real life stories, we have discussed about mythologies.
Hmm.
Okay, so one fine day he discussed about his idea of starting his own business.
अच्छा.
अब ये मुझ पर है, मुझे लेना है या छोड़ देना है.
Right.
So what I did is, we deep dive, we discussed more, and we launched.